Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited now loading for a trip around Walt Disney's Magic
There are no ramps available on either exit, so if you have an item that folds like a stroller or a wheelchair, we do advise you to keep that folded until you reach the bottom of the stairs.
We're now en route to New Orleans Square Station. Along the way, we'll be passing through the wilds of the jungle cruise.
Hi folks, once again, please make sure everyone is fully seated while the train is in motion, and make sure that little ones are fully seated on the bench or on your lap, please. Thank you.
And circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
We are now arriving at New Orleans Square Station. Exit here for Haunted Mansion Holiday. Head to the courtyard near Royal Street Veranda to meet Jack Skellington. Check the appearance times on the app. This will also be your exit for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Adventureland, Frontierland, Bayou Country, and the Rivers of America. Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. We're now en route to Toontown Depot, gateway to Fantasyland. Along the way, we'll be passing through Tiana's Bayou Adventure, over the Rivers of America, and past Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. And when it comes to sweetness, the inhabitants of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. as we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree. We're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot.
We're now arriving at Toontown Depot, gateway to Fantasyland. Exit here for the 70th photo booth in front of the Fantasyland Theater. It's a small world holiday where you can stop by the toy shop on the way out to see the new scale model of It's a Small World. Or head to Storybook Land at Casey Jr. with the new edition of the Rapunzel's Tower Rectangle. Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. We're now en route to Tomorrowland Station. Along the way, we'll be passing It's a Small World Holiday and the world-famous Agri-Future sign.
Hello everyone! Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience, or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop.
We're now arriving at Tomorrowland Station. Exit here for the monorail station located next to Tiny Nemo submarine. You can take the monorail to downtown Disney and the hotels of the Disneyland Resort. Enjoy all of our new holiday offerings and the new Lululemon store. Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. We're now en route to Main Street Station. Along the way, we'll be passing through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. Please turn off all lights, cell phone lights, toy lights, video lights, and lightsabers as we enter the tunnels, so we don't scare the dinosaurs.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the Primeval World, land of the dinosaurs. Now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here,
We're now arriving at Main Street Station. Exit here for Walt Disney, A Magical Life, now showing at the Main Street Opera House. Or head to Town Square to take your photos with the Town Square Christmas tree. or with Mickey and his pals in their holiday costumes. Please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. As a reminder, this station has no ramps, only stairs.
Your attention, please. Last call for the Disneyland Limited. Now leaving for a complete trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. Stops at Frontierland, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. Last call.